The girl arrives with a large backpack at an old abandoned house. From the outside, its walls look as if they could crumble at any moment, yet the surroundings are lush and green, the air crisp and clean. She gently pushes open the creaking door and steps inside. The room is dim and cool, with dust drifting down from the ceiling, but instead of fear, she feels a strange calmness, the perfect place to spend a day in solitude. After unpacking her belongings, she heads outside to gather dry branches for a fire. Soon, the crackle of wood fills the house as the small stove comes alive. She sets a little pot on top, preparing a simple meal, some soup, a couple of side dishes. The warmth spreads through the room, carrying with it the comforting aroma of food. When dinner is ready, she lays out her modest table, pours herself a cup of tea, and eats quietly. Every sound, the clink of dishes, the bubbling of the kettle, the rustle of her movements, becomes part of the moment, drawing the viewer into the soft rhythm of her solitude. Afterwards, she tidies up and wanders around the house, smiling at how this forgotten place has, for one night, become her home. She picks up a book, reads a little by the window, while outside the birds sing and the wind stirs the leaves. As the sun sets, the room darkens. She stokes the fire again, filling the space with warmth and flickering light. Lighting a small lamp, she lays out her bedding and settles down, her face calm in the golden glow. Night falls completely. Only the fire's crackling remains, joined by the whisper of the wind outside. She listens quietly, not afraid at all. Instead, she finds peace in the stillness, savoring the rare beauty of true solitude. By morning, birdsong wakes her. She rises, cleans the room, carries out the ashes, and leaves everything in order. Before leaving, she takes one last look at the old house. For a single day, its walls had sheltered her, and though she is leaving, the memory of warmth and quiet remains. With her backpack once again on her shoulders, she steps back onto the forest path, and the house stays silent behind her, a witness to one day of gentle, hidden life.